You can tell they know. See, that one knows. Look at it. It knows. Watch. Sec. I got these sunflower seeds for them. Okay, there we go. There they are. There they are. Yeah, I know, huh? Here. There we go. Look at that. Look how many there are. Nope, there's another one. Hello. You want to kiss my bag, huh? Well, I don't have any more, so I'm just going to get another handful out. There we go. One more handful. Here we go. Hey. There we go. Come on. There you go. Yeah, my bag. That's my backpack. There we go. Crumble them up more. Whoop! What happened? Yep, they changed their mind. See, they're coming on from all angles. These sunflower seeds I bought, they're raw and unsalted and stuff, so they're not bad for them. Here you go. You want some? You want some? You want some? Oh, hi. Here, you can have some too. Come on. There you go. You can get it. There you go. There you go. All these fat birds. You want more? There they go. Don't poop on my bag, okay? I'll never forgive you. That's a seagull over there. Hopefully he doesn't get the wrong idea. Here you go. Here. You like it? You want it? There's a pigeon right there. The other birds know better. These birds are really aggressive. And the only reason they're not eating on my hands right now is because there's food on the ground. Here. Yeah. Look at this guy. Look at him. He's so fluffy. There's more of them. There's a lot of them. There's more over there too. So many fat birds. Let's try this again. There you go. Thanks. Oh, hello again. Hello. You're biting my skin at this point. It hurts. Ow. Ah, stop it. You want me to drop it, right? There. You're just biting my hand for no reason now, buddy. There you go. That was rude. You don't deserve this. You don't deserve me. Don't bite me. Here. Chubbies. You're so chubbies. The chubbies. Hello. Hello, buddy. You like the seeds? So yeah, as you see, they're very aggressive. They bit me like 3 times, 4, but they seem okay.